Hi there, it's Amy at Magnolias. Although we're not at Magnolias today, we're decorating at a different venue. We're at the cemetery today, decorating my Grandma Marie and Grandpa Harold's gravesite. It is important for us to take note and to do kind things for the family members that are no longer with us. So at the cemetery, we're designing special pieces that will help you show your appreciation and your love. Vase drop-ins are a beautiful addition to the gravesite. Those little picks that we wire together into a stem base doesn't always stay in the vase. My tip is to use plastic grocery store bags. If you twist the grocery store bags around the stem of the drop-in, it will create a nice wedge. When you put that into the vase, it will stay secure, the wind will not catch it, and it's a waterproof option to make sure it doesn't leave the vase. Another thing we offer are easels. This is a way to prop the easel against the headstone, completely inserting all three picks into the ground. We will wire the wreath to the easel for you, but that is an alternate way to use the easel so the wind doesn't catch the wreath and take it. But if you do have a flat stone in the ground, then of course you'd want to spread the easel open, and when you insert that into the ground, push it all the way down so that the legs get really close to the ground, and we'll have the wire on the wreath that will keep it from blowing away in the Nebraska wind. And then lastly, we make monument stone toppers. This is a design, a special little saddle that holds the foam, so I can design a custom arrangement. The legs on the saddle are spring tension, so they grip very tightly, and I have my customers coming back every other year to redo the designs that start looking a little weather worn, but they do stay securely, and we don't lose these in the Nebraska wind. So if we can help you at Magnolias to make beautiful things for the cemetery this Memorial Day, please give us an opportunity. Let us show you what we can do to customize that for you.